Hi everyone, my name is Abel Grey Cantoma. I'm from Greatest Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number. You can call me on any of these numbers, okay? Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your staircase in your Revit 2024. Amazing, right? If you have been following us, this is the episode 20 of this particular series. All right, let's jump right into it. All I need to do is just to click on my staircase in my architecture tab. You can see this is architecture. I will click on staircase around my circulation. So if I click on stairs, I'll save this project. If you could remember from the early settings we did. All right, so once we are here, you can see you select run, and also I'm going to select straight. All right, very important, at the right corner of my left corner of my screen, you will see the properties of the stairs. Now if you click on this drop down menu, it gives you a list of types that you can actually select, okay? But now here I can edit this type of staircase. I'm going to leave the default one there. Here I will specify the riser height, specify the tread depth, specify the minimum run width. Okay, so this is basically all you need to do from here. So this one, let's say I make this 1350, okay, and I'll leave this as it is. I will click on apply and click on OK. Now if you look at this here, the base level, you can specify this base level is going to be starting from the ground floor level. That is where my staircase is starting from, and it's going to end at the top level. I will specify the first floor. For example, once I specify the first floor, so it's going straight to the first floor, okay, in a single flight. So all I need to do here is to it is always advisable that when you draw your stairs, you can draw it a bit away from the wall actually, but I'm just going to trace along the wall. Here there is one very important settings that you must know. If you look at this location line, run left, so I'm going to select run left. So when I select run left, you can see the edge of this is along this particular wall, okay, that is the left side of the stairs is along this wall, okay. So if I choose the right, that means the right side will be along the wall. That's basically what it means. And as you hover your mouse along this direction, you will realize that it is interactive. It will tell you risers created. We have 10 riser created and we have 10 remaining, okay. So if I want this to be equal, all I need to do, I can stop at this level. I will just click once and then I will hover my hand along the vertical direction, and then I will from here know what is the space between these two stairs. So let's say okay, I'm trying to be careful. I want this to be okay. 1 3 is 1 3 I have there. So let's say I leave it at this point. Oh no, this is not this. I will select run right. Okay, perfect. This is basically how I want it to be, and I will drop. It's somehow a bit tricky. You will have to sit down to understand it better. This is basically how I want this to be. But you can see this is not in the actual position where I want the staircase to be. I want it to be here. So all I need to do is just to highlight them. I can highlight it, and then I will use the move, and I will move this to this point. So this is basically how to come about your staircase design. You can see it goes this way to this point. Now if I try to do a cross section, very important, if I go to sorry, I need to finish this. Okay, just finish. Now the staircase has been created. Let's say I like to see the section of this. So if I click this and I click here and I click here, okay, so I can be able to view the cross section of this staircase. So all I need to do is double tap here. It will take me to the section. All right, so we're there. So you can see that is that cross section. You can see the staircase here. Let's go back to our ground floor. So you can see how to create your staircase in your Revit software. You can as well simply just move this if you like. So all you need to do is just to click on the cross section, click on your move tool, select this, and so just simply move. You can move it downward if you probably did not place the cross section at where you want to see it. And you can reduce the range, and you can simply also increase the range at which it can go to, at which it can view though. Okay, so all you need to do is just to click on it, just click. When you click 3 times, it opens. All right, so this is basically how the cross section is going to look like. You know, we played around with that range, so that's basically why the cross section is showing this way. So similarly, if you want to increase that, if you want to increase the range it can view, you can take it way even outside this. So you can take out your time and go through this on your own in order for you to have a deeper understanding of how to come about your cross section. So this is how to generate your staircase in your Revit 2024. It's basically very similar to how you want to generate maybe your straight flight. click on run, just click on your straight flight, just like the way we did. Similarly, all you need to do is just to take it along that direction, and boom, you can see you have your straight flight. Okay, all right, if you love what you are seeing, make sure you just like this video and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, it's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification. We post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many